We down here in Arkansas. It's the last morning. Me and Jason hunting with Tori and Carrie Wayne. I'm doing the talking on this one because they like to make fun of the way I talk. It's the second stand of the morning. We done already killed a triple. Located these coyotes last night. Slipped in here. We're gonna howl, see if we can get them to howl back at us. Go from there. Coyotes didn't say nothing, because Tori sucks. Never mind. Hey, what about this shit, dog? This shit, dog. Never underestimate the power of a howling mofo. I've been making them all holler back since I was about 12. And I still got it. I still got it. And when I say make them all holler, I mean make them all holler. You hear me? Take that road, don't look like it goes right down. Alright. We're gonna make a move on these guys. Right back through here. I'm ready. Let's go. Anytime. Alright, give me. Down quick. Shit. I shot at this one. You spun it right when the door shot. Did they give him a trophy one time for howling or something? I thought he'd be better.
for the pile.
2 more. That makes 13.
13, yeah.
We're up to 13 in what, 4 mornings?
4 mornings. All on film too.
All on film.
All shotgun.
All shotgun, right up close, in your face.
I don't think we had a coyote less than more than 30 yards. So
Some
I
good
don't think any of
howling.
them was shot over 30 yards.
Good howling action.
A lot of vocals, and we appreciate you watching, even if you're just doing it to laugh at us or whatever. But we keep it. We do very little editing on our stuff, so you get to see the real deal, and what you see is what you get with MFK. So, thank y'all for watching. We're gonna go see if we can add to the pile.
You're getting better. I'm proud of you.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. I'm learning from the best myself.